get back to the questions that got to my inbox this week regarding last Wednesday, I guess, live. So one of the images that I showed you how to do that is this one here, right? So for this image, I have one key light in front of the subject, and I have two speed lights on the ground behind her, pointing towards the wall, a little bit sideways. The one that you see on your left has a blue gel and a mask, a MagMod mask, and the one on the right has a red gel and no mask on it, just a red gel. So you can see a little bit more blue on the left, a little bit more red, and a little bit magenta in the middle is where the blue and the red merge and creates the magenta. So one of the questions that I got was, so I'm testing this gel thing, well, like I'm testing this gel and mask thing, but my colors are coming up washed out. Yeah, the solution for that, one thing that I may not have mentioned on the last live, is that you need to kill the ambient light. There's no way that you can have a lot of ambient light and still get the pattern and the pattern and the colors there.